Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sweet bean sauce. This guide will help you create a flavorful, authentic sauce right in your own kitchen. You'll need common ingredients like soybeans, flour, sugar, and a few essential sauces. The entire process from start to finish can be completed in about 30 minutes, making it a quick and rewarding culinary project. Let's get started. The first step involves preparing your soybeans. Begin by soaking 2 cups of dried soybeans in water overnight. This ensures they soften properly. After soaking, drain the water and cook the beans until they are exceptionally tender, almost falling apart. Finally, mash the cooked beans thoroughly into a smooth paste. A fine texture is crucial, so make sure there are no large bean pieces left. Now let's cook the sauce. In a pan, combine your mashed soybeans with flour, sugar, and other liquid ingredients like soy sauce and water. Stir everything together until well blended. Simmer this mixture over low heat, stirring continuously to prevent sticking. Continue cooking for approximately 5 minutes, or until the sauce thickens to a rich, glossy, dark brown consistency. This careful cooking ensures a perfect texture and flavor. Once your sweet bean sauce has cooled, transfer it to an airtight container. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, maintaining its fresh flavor. This versatile sauce is perfect with noodles, as a dipping sauce for roasted meats like Peking duck, or to enhance stir-fries. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade sweet bean sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.